So yes guys, this is another day. It is 7 in the morning. So jaldi उठ गया था. And by looking at the position, we didn't hit our take profit mark. Price is now retracing to the downside. I expected that price will definitely go to the upside in the night, but it didn't. It instead of going to the upside, I was in what you can say 13% profit at the max. But then the price started retracing to the downside. But no worries in that, because these things happen, and I'm currently in 5% profit. Well, as you know, I'm going to let it trail, let this position trail till the end, while my take profit is just 1% on this position now. And let me just show you. As you can clearly see, this is the yesterday's trades, and this is today's position. I'm currently in 5.3% profit, and as you can see, I expected this price will definitely after breaking this liquidity level out will definitely go to the upside in order to reach this level, but it used most of its liquidity in breaking this level only, and then that is why it's consolidated. And as we can see, it showed a weakness, and while we looking, we saw that it made a double retest kind of structure at just 3398 level point, and it went to the downside. So I still expect that price will definitely move to the upside. So my as you can see, my take profit is at 1% just right here, and while my take profit is at 16%, my stop loss is at 1%. I still believe that price will definitely go to the upside. मुझे अब कॉलेज जाना है, टाइम वेस्ट करने अपना, बट नो वरी, मैं वहाँ तक पोजीशन अपनी ट्रेल होने दूंगा. And of course, my next bullish position once again will be just right here. If price reaches this level, I'm going to take another bullish position because this looks kind of good to me. So this is 6:30, and I just came home, and what I see is extremely phenomenal. The price just hit our take profit mark at plus 16%. I cannot tell you that how happy I am, but I am sad at the moment also क्योंकि मेरी एक पोजीशन मिस हो गई. Let me just show you. So yes guys, as you can clearly see, this was my take profit mark. This is where I took my entry exactly at this point, and this was my take profit mark, and price did exactly that. As you can see, let me just show you my entry on the charts. As you can see, show on chart, I took my entry exactly right here, and I took out my profits just right here at this candle, at this position. मुझे पता था कि यहाँ पर मुझे एक्जैक्टली बेरिश पोजीशन लेनी है, बिकॉज एज यू कैन सी द बुलिश स्ट्रेंथ इज वीकनिंग. सो मैं बेरिश पोजीशन लेता, बट आई कुडंट टेक क्योंकि मैं थोड़ा लेट आया कॉलेज से. ऑफकोर्स ये मेरी कैंडल थी 5:30 की. अगर मैं 5:30 पे आ जाता तो 5:30 पे आई वुड हैव टेकन दिस पोजीशन अप, बट नो वरीज. आई एम हैप्पी दैट आई कैप्चर्ड दिस पोजीशन. एज यू कैन सी, आई मेड 16.47 प्रॉफिट ऑन दिस पोजीशन. Also, I consider this position was a good position, and now let's see what happens. And I'll be together in the position. My next position will be when price breaks above this level and give me a breakout and retest signal, or another breakout signal, so that I can expect from here to all the way towards here at this level, because bias of the price is currently extremely bullish. Man, I literally made 16%, 16.5% on that position. I cannot tell you that how happy I am when these things happen. This was one of the perfect setups. As you can see, मैंने आपके सामने ही पोजीशन ली थी, and I now closed at it 16.5%. और मैं यहाँ पर मेरी बेरिश पोजीशन लेने वाला था. अगर मैंने यहाँ पर बेरिश पोजीशन ले ली होती, then I would have been trailing in what currently approximately of 5% currently. मैं भी प्रॉफिट मार्जिन अपना बुक कर देता अगर मैंने यहाँ पर पोजीशन ले ली होती, एंड आई वुड कंसिडर कि मैंने यहाँ पर पोजीशन ली, बट मैं नहीं ले पाया बिकॉज ऑफ द फैक्ट कि मैं लेट आया कॉलेज से, वरना ये भी पोजीशन लेता और मैं बेरिश पे से पैसा बना लेता. दिस इज़ इट, एंड येस, आई लव टू गेट द पोजीशन. मैं लेट आया आज थोड़ा सा क्योंकि थोड़ा काम लग रहा था. So due to which I am just going to eat my dinner now. Then after that we are going to journalize, and we are going to journalize this position. We are going to talk, read and all that stuff. और आज भी थोड़ा लेट से होगा, काम थोड़ा ज़्यादा है. So yes, let's see what happens. I'll update you guys in a bit. So now I've completed dinner, and I've completed most of the small things so that I can focusing on the primary tasks now. So the price has broken above the 3340 level, which I believe that price will definitely fall from, but instead of falling down, it made a retracement, took out the level, and has currently been गेटिंग अबव इट, और अभी वो नीचे आके एक रिट्रेस भी कर रहा है, बट आई थिंक कि मेरे लिए अभी इसमें कोई एंट्री नहीं है, क्योंकि आई डो नॉट थिंक कि मेरा कोई पर्टिकुलर सेटअप इस समय फॉर्म हो रहा है. लेट मी शो यू व्हाट द प्राइस एक्शन लुक्स लाइक. आफ्टर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू गेट ऑन टू जर्नलाइजिंग. So as you can clearly see, this is what the price did. Price reached this level. If I was, अगर मैं जल्दी आया होता तो I could have captured this retracement. From here to here I could have made of approximately of 5% profit on this position. And I expected the price to continue the relative decline to the downside a little bit more. But instead of going to the downside, it broke to the upside above, and now it is kind of doing a breakout. It is kind of doing a retest scenario at the 3340 level, but there is no current entry signal for me. There is no confirmation for me, and there is no environment for me to position a trade. So I'm happy that I captured the move today. The price hit my TP on my holding position, but I do not think that I'm going to take any position for the day. So as you can see, the price is kind of acting choppy, and I do not have any particular signal to invest and take my entry. So I'm not going to take any entry for now. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to generalize, क्योंकि generalizing बहुत रह गई है. Generalize, then we are going to read book, then I'm going to edit the video, upload the video, and many things more. So yes, let's start.